Make sure everything looks good. Let's see here. Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's so good to see you guys here on this broadcast. If this is your very first time, I encourage you to give this page a thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys are sharing this out with your friends and followers, even your author bestie, here on live. I am Desiree Lee. I'm the owner, founder of Authors in Business Co. I aim to help aspiring and also published authors get seen, get heard, and also get discovered. During this live broadcast, I'm going to share with you guys the simplest and easiest way to get celebrity book shout outs. And I'm going to show you how to monetize it. I'm going to show you how to take that shout out, take that video from that celebrity, and definitely to help you increase your book sales and also your views, and also give you validation as an expert in your field as a self-published author. So if you guys are excited about this broadcast as much as I am, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and we will definitely get right into it. Good to see everyone. And so I am going live here on my webcam, and this is pretty cool to tell you even more. I'll be able to share my screen and everything and show you all the great stuff on the other side of this thing here. All right. No, I just want to do this, and I want to publish this poll. All right. Good to see ya. Thank you for joining. Okay. Okay. All right. So the website that you can definitely use, it's there inside of the comments that you'll be able to click on and create your account. But before we get there, before you guys click on that link, let me share with you guys on what to do and how to definitely use it. Now, I'll put up a poll here that says, do you want a celebrity to give your book a shout out? Now, a lot of you guys know, if you've already published a book, how sometimes it can be difficult to get endorsements or to get shares from your friends, and also sometimes your followers. Sometimes it can be difficult to get people to follow you, to buy the book, to download the book, even if it's 99 cents. And you feel that you're burning out in a rut. You did some of the marketing, some of the advertising. You're like, how in the world do I get this book in front of other people and other individuals? And it's like, how do I do this thing? Now, I know you guys are familiar with companies such as Fashion Nova, some other companies, the Flat Tummy Tea, where they use celebrity endorsements in their marketing and their advertisement, and it definitely increased their sales like no other. So you can literally get a celebrity to endorse your book for less than $100. I'm talking about, I seen some on there for $25, and I could not believe it. $25, and they will shout out your book and they will endorse you. Okay. And so let's go ahead and let me share my screen. Let me come up here to see, so I can share my screen with you guys. And let's see, so you can see what it is that I'm looking at and why I am so excited. Oh, it won't let me share my screen. That's unfortunate. It's so unfortunate. All right, so let's go ahead and let me just show you my show it to you on my phone here. All right, so here we go. So you can do it on the computer, and you can also do it on your phone. So here, as I'm on my phone here, okay, I'm not sure. Let me know who your favorite celebrity is in the chat, and maybe we can look them up too. But I'm just gonna stick with, let's put in maybe Shark Tank. Yeah, let's do that. Shark Tank or Bravo. Let's do Shark Tank. reality shows. They got reality TV on Netflix, reality TV on all kinds of different things. All right, so we're here on New on Reality TV. Let's see. Bravo. Mm, let me go in here and see. Shark Tank. Shark Tank. Okay, here it is. All right. So you can go on here onto Cameo, and I don't know if you guys can see it well. Oh yeah, you guys can see it really well. So you guys can go here on the Cameo, right? And on here, you can search up reality shows. You can search up celebrities. You can search, I mean, literally anything. You can search up a certain TV show to see what celebrity is on here. And you can literally get people like Damon Johnson to endorse your book. You can get people like Barbara Corhan to endorse your book. You can get people like Tank. You can get people like Ice Cube, Simbag, Charlemagne the God, so many different celebrities, Nene Leakes, people from Bravo, the Housewives, all kinds of different people uh, to endorse your book. And guys, ladies and gentlemen, some of them are $40, $30. Let me show you. Trina Braxton. I think we looked on that. I was so upset because I was on YouTube and it didn't work. So you have this Trina Braxton here. Oh, okay, so you have Trina Braxton, and as you guys can see, I'm not sure if you guys can see it well or not. Let me see if you can. Maybe not. But it's $40 to get a book shout out from Trina Braxton. Okay? So what you do is, all right, I'm telling you, it's like so insane. It's so insane, Steven. I don't even know people. I'm like, listen, all right. I was forced, sometimes I wish I had a different experience coming into this entrepreneurship, but I was literally, I think, pushed into this purpose, but I didn't have a job. I didn't have a savings. I didn't have none of that to help me with promoting or marketing my book. I didn't know anything. And so I was forced to get as creative as possible to push this book out there. So you can literally, I'm talking about pennies on a dollar. Now, some of them is really expensive. Some of it is $1,000. Some of it is about $400. Some of it's about $200. But I promise you, it's worth the investment regardless. Because if Damon Johnson, he charges $299, and he shouts out your book and says, Stephen, your book is awesome. Congratulations on publishing your recent book of how to make money on Instagram. You're amazing. I love it. I can't believe it. Especially people of Shark Tank who don't really endorse new products and different things like that. And once you get that video, Stephen, right? So once you get the video, what you do is you post it on social media, okay? And then you create a Facebook ad with that video. You create a YouTube ad with that video. And guess what? You can literally target. You can target people who watch Shark Tank. So the people who watch people like Damon Johnson and everything, right? They're going to say, whoa, Damon Johnson, I like Damon Johnson. He said to buy Stephen's book. Oh, I'm going to go ahead and buy the book, right? So that $300 that you spent for Damon Johnson to endorse you, you just got it 10, 20, 50 times over because you took that video and you made it a Facebook ad, you made it a YouTube ad, you made it an Instagram ad, and now now Damon Johnson is selling your book. You're not even selling it. Now Damon Johnson is selling your book, and you're wondering, how in the world do I get individuals like that. And then you can do, when you start to get it going, right, you can get 5 celebrities, right, and actually put them all on one video for these different celebrities to do it. I mean, they did it with who else did this? Where they got celebrities to do the little whitening, the teeth whitening little glow thing in their mouth, the teeth whitening thing, where they have that, and they're able to they were selling the little teeth whitening thing to, I mean, everywhere online, and you saw ads about it of your favorite celebrity using it, and then you're like, okay, well, I want to use it too. It must be good if they're using it, and different things like that. Right, 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 right. Absolutely, 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 Stephen. I'm just now seeing your comments. I totally, hey, get in where we fit in, right? Yes. So if you're enjoying this broadcast, please share this out with your friends on Facebook. I didn't have an opportunity to share this out with my people on Facebook. But look, we're going to talk more about this during the virtual book expo. And so let me know if you are interested in attending, right, or becoming a vendor at the virtual book expo. It's going to be on September the 19th, from 1 to 6 p.m. I'm super excited. Let me go ahead and share this as my news feed. Uh, I don't know what I'm going to say. Do you like the sound of do you, do you like the sound of Damon Johnson, Trina Braxton giving your book a shout out? Thank you guys for your patience. I know you said yes. Right. So press play. Okay, so yeah, so that is the tip on to monetizing your book with celebrities and getting celebrity shout outs. It's very, very important that you take this into consideration. Like when it comes to online, the playing field, or the field is leveled. Okay, the field is leveled, and I'm sorry. I mean, I look at myself. You have to start believing in yourself, guys. You have to start saying, you know what? Hey, look, I may not have this to do this just yet. I may not have this to do this just yet. You know what I mean? But you definitely want to take advantage of this and get celebrities to shout out your book. Again, the website is Cameo, okay, and they have multiple other websites too as well. So like for instance, your book, because when you publish your book on Amazon, your book is available in 12 countries, okay? So they have a website similar to that one for celebrities that are in the United Kingdom, in UK. So if you want to sell more books to people who are in the UK, they have celebrities that are famous there, but they may not be famous here in America. Well, you can literally go to the website, pay the celebrity $40, pay the celebrity $100. They shout your book out, they congratulate you, they celebrate you, and then you take that video, right, and then you turn that into a Facebook ad and just target people who like that celebrity. Because I know when somebody says, what was it? I know when Donald Trump endorses stuff, people be packing up their trucks and going to Portland and everything else, right? I know when Obama or Michelle Obama endorses things, people will buy it and people sell out so fast. I mean, just think about how many times Oprah endorses products and books and different things like that. And so you may not get Oprah per se to endorse the book as of yet, but you can definitely get celebrities who are on TV, radio celebrities, radio personalities, rappers, singers. You can even get basketball players and NFL players, people who are in sports, Olympian champions, and different things like that to endorse your book. And I'm telling you, you'll make crazy sales. You'll make crazy sales. Any questions? I know, right, Stephen? I know. I'm planning to attend. Thank you so much, Stephen. I can't wait to see you there. I can't wait to see you there. I'm about to share this in my stories. They better get in here. Yeah, definitely. I think it's really important. Let's see. Absolutely. Any questions, guys? Let me know. Any questions? All right, let me go ahead and save this to my story. So again, if you're just joining me, I'm Desiree Lee. I'm a self-publishing consultant. I help individuals get seen, get heard, and also get discovered. We do have a free Facebook group, so if you're interested in joining, let us know inside the comments. Make sure you type in the comments the name and the title of your book. Also, make sure you type in the comments if you where you're located. I would love to get to know you guys a little bit better here on our social media page, and it's always good to see our fellow friends here on Facebook. Thank you so much for joining. But again, guys, if you're just joining us right now, make sure you guys participate inside of the poll that you see. If you want to get a celebrity shout out, you can definitely do it yourself. You do not need somebody to do it for you. You can definitely do it yourself, and I hope this was beneficial to you. I hope it was really rewarding, and I can't wait to see you guys' celebrity shout outs. Make sure you give us a shout out and tag us and let your friends know that you really enjoy the content in this information. So I look forward to see you guys soon. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.